So I got a new ruler. This was by one of you. I don't remember who. I'm really sorry because it was a while ago, but one of you told me about this ruler and I'm really excited about it. This was my birthday present to myself. Yeah, it was my birthday on October 6th. If you didn't know, it's totally fine. You can still send your gifts. I'm keeping it simple this year. I'm only going to be accepting small bars of gold and birds of prey. But also, if you can't get any of those things because they're kind of hard to come by, you know, maybe just a shout out. But anyway, I've got a bunch of rulers. Let's get to this video. I've got a metal ruler. This is the one that I mostly use. I've got a shitty school ruler that's got a metal edge. I've got this ruler. I don't use this ruler. I just have it with my rulers because it should live with the rulers, but I don't use that one. So this is the problems that I come up with, right? I need a metal edge so that I can cut stuff. I cut a lot of stuff. A knife. And then I've got this little sort of, very sort of exact ruler. I know this one is super accurate. Right now I'm just checking to see how accurate this new one is. It's pretty accurate. The only thing I'm gonna say about this new ruler, even though like it's really cool, what's up with the typeface that they used for the numbers? It's like a weird like hand script. Why not just if it's a precision ruler, just give me precise like typeface numbers. Don't give me some weird hand scroll thing. Why? Here I'm checking the accuracy of these other rulers. Apparently they're pretty accurate. They're all pretty accurate. They're all, pretty accurate. But the good thing about this new ruler that I got is that it has first of all, it lays flat. That metal ruler that I use a lot, I have to use it upside down to cut because it's got a little like cork thing so it doesn't slip. It still slips. So I don't know why it's even there. But I can't cut because it creates like a little overhang, which means the tip of my blade can sort of divert into there, so it doesn't give me an accurate cut, so I have to use it upside down. Yeah, this is non-sticky, so I use it like that so I get super accurate cuts, right? But it's old and it's it's nicked and stuff. This has a rounded over, this new, let me get rid of these real quick. This new ruler has like a rounded over, very sort of thick metal bar at the side of it, at the right edge of it as you're looking at it. So it feels pretty good. It also on the other side has, just a regular measuring side, but it has a zero. It's zeroed out in the middle, so it's really easy to find the middle of something. It also has these little piercing holes, which I'm kind of excited about, because it'll allow me to sort of make holes in things down to the measurement. So I'm kind of excited about this ruler, hoping that this sort of takes over my, that this takes over as my main ruler. We shall see in the coming months. It does fit a pencil. I did sort of realize that I could sort of do a little protractor situation thing if I plan it out correctly. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you my new ruler. Again, I am accepting gifts for my birthday. You could just give me a shout out so that people subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing.